with that, the 2025 season comes to an end, a year defined by vision, momentum, and the steady shaping of a new landmark. As we close the final chapter of the year, Astra Bay rises with purpose, its foundations of progress firmly set, and its journey into the new year stronger than ever. Across the site, December has been a month of remarkable movement. Excavation works now stand at 95% completion, carving the final contours of the land that will soon support a modern, thriving development. At the same time, the foundation works have reached 85%, forming the structural backbone that anchors Astra Bay with strength and stability. Below ground, Basement 1 and its reinforced concrete works are now 80% complete, bringing the project closer to its first major structural milestone. Just above, the lower ground floor and its reinforced concrete works have progressed to 75%, steadily building upward as each level gains definition. Meanwhile, the mezzanine floor has reached 35% completion, marking the beginning of Astra Bay's vertical ascent, where the architectural vision begins to rise from the ground and take shape against the skyline. Throughout the site, teams are working with precision and dedication, pushing forward every day to transform blueprints into reality. From earthworks to reinforced structures, every milestone achieved this month lays the groundwork for the incredible spaces Astra Bay will soon offer. As the year closes, the progress here tells a powerful story, one of commitment, craftsmanship, and a future ready to unfold. This is Astra Bay, and this is your December construction update.